Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your device is unlocked and up to date, because system controls affect notifications. Open Messages and enter the exact conversation you want silenced. This isolates changes so other chats remain normal. Once inside, tap the info or contact icon. This reveals thread-specific controls. You do this because app-level silencing differs from system do not disturb. Controlling at the thread prevents missed urgent alerts elsewhere. Make that first tap now, and now locate the toggle labeled Notifications, Hide Alerts, or Mute. Words vary by platform. Flip that switch to On. The system may ask you to confirm that you want alerts silenced for this conversation only. Do it, because this ensures messages arrive silently while still storing content and badges if allowed. Once set, look for the muted icon or label beside the thread to confirm success. If you want multiple threads silenced, repeat these exact steps for each conversation. Finish by returning to the message list and confirming the muted marker next to the conversation, which visually confirms the change. Test quietly. Send a test message from another device to verify there's no sound or banner. This proves you set thread silence correctly. If you still hear alerts, make sure Global Do Not Disturb isn't conflicting and that message notification permissions aren't overridden by system settings. If problems persist, toggle the setting off and on again to force a refresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.